Yo guys, what's up? Right now we're outside of a market here in Taiwan, so we're gonna go inside, and as you know, the coronavirus is on the rise, so you need to take care of yourselves. I have a description link below to teach you how to make masks for yourself, but today we're gonna use the 100% antibacterial gas masks. Let's go! We're looking for this, so we're gonna make a challenge for this Samyang super spicy noodles in the future. So stay tuned for that. Comment down below if you want us to try something else. We will be doing this soon, so stay tuned. Yeah, take all of that. Let's go.
Here, let's move on. We'll just check. We're ready to. Okay, this is true.
Bruh. The next day. No.